If you live in an area like the Kentuckiana community, one of the most important things you can do as a pet owner is to prepare for disasters of all kinds. This is Dr. Kennedy with Jefferson Animal Hospital, and we have Brooke and then also our furry friend, this is Rebel down there. First and foremost, Dr. Kennedy, why is this important?
Louisville has been the victim of floods and tornadoes in the past, and you don't have much time to prepare. And these are items that you need to get ready now, just in case you have to go to a shelter. We've had problems in the past where people would stay in their homes in the path of a tornado because they didn't want to leave their pets. And if you'll call the Red Cross, this is all on our website under the emergency tab, if you'll call the Red Cross number and ask them which shelters will take pets, because some may take pets and some may not take pets. And then you have to have all this material ready. You need a carrier.
Okay, so carrier not just for cats though. You want a carrier for cats
yes,
and dogs.
and dogs.
Right.
Yeah, and you need a big carrier. If it's a big dog, you need a place to, you can't let them roam free in the shelter, the Red Cross shelter where you go.
And wouldn't it be a good idea to maybe put a picture of your pet here, just in case?
You want identification on your carrier. You want your name, your address, your cell phone number, and a picture of the pet. And then for your pet, you need enough water. A big dog's a gallon a day. You need food sufficient for at least 7 days. You need to make sure that you have a document with you and on your carrier with your name, address, phone, your vet's name, address, your pet's picture.
Which is, you have samples of that down here.
Right,
so
these
just
are my
in
pets.
case. Oh, these are yours? Okay.
Right. And so you need to have something that tells who you are. Leashes for your dogs and cats. Hopefully you have a microchip already. A document listing your pet's medical history, and be sure and have all the medications that your pet needs. Make sure that you have ID tags on your pet, either your rabies tag or a microchip tag. Keep your vaccines current and a copy of your vaccine dates in your disaster kit. Plastic bags and scoopers to pick up and store pet waste when you take them outside.
That is always important.
That's really important. And bowls to put your food and water in. And minimal first aid supplies, some gauze and some tape and some bandage scissors just in case. If you do go to a shelter that allows pets, there's going to be multiple pets there. So it's really important you keep your pet in a container. You may need some sedatives to keep them quiet, and you can ask your veterinarian for that. But you need to get that ready now. If your house catches on fire and the fire department wants to send you to a shelter, you need to be able to grab this stuff. If there's a tornado coming, or if there's flooding coming, you need to be able to grab this stuff and be ready to go to the nearest shelter. And call the Red Cross to see which shelters will take pets.
Don't stay in your home.
Right.
We want to make sure. Now, going back to the water, so a gallon a day for big dogs, but then what about for cats?
A quart a day for small dogs and cats is the recommendation.
Okay.
And you'll have to have enough to last.
Sure.
Now, you may only be in a shelter 1 or 2 days.
But just in
But
case.
you know, you might be in your basement if a tornado is coming. So you need to have all of this ready to go to your basement with food and water and medical supplies for your pet. Be prepared and get this stuff ready now.
Right.
And it is on our Jefferson Animal Hospital website under the emergencies tab.
Okay, that's
You can
so
print
helpful.
all of this out.
Absolutely, that's helpful.
Right.
And now you also have a can opener just in case, canned food for one of the dogs. At my house, we have 4 dogs and 2 cats, and a human baby as well. But we have everything packed and ready to go just in case we have to go, say, under the stairs in the basement, you know, with the tornado. You don't know.
Don't wait till you need it. Get this stuff ready now. And it's easy to put together, and then you'll be prepared, and you're ready to go.
You're all set to go. And again, you can find all of that information with a host of so many other helpful tips and articles on your website.
It's under our emergency tab. It says Disaster Planning Guidelines for Pets.
Okay, Rebel, I think we've got you covered here. Brooke, thank you so much. With Dr. Kennedy from Jefferson Animal Hospital, I'm Angie Fenton.